Hello students, if you want to become an IAS officer or IPS or IRS, or if you want to clear UPSC examination, coaching is very important. So how can you select a right coaching center, or what can you expect from a coaching? The first important thing is you can expect clear-cut classes. That classes will clear the concepts. The concepts should be very clear. And next one is classes should be taken by the expert faculty. And not only that, that faculty should teach you how to write a mains answer and how you have to answer the questions of UPSC prelims. And they have to make you understand what exactly the demand of the question or demand of UPSC. And next one here is that coaching center needs to teach you current affairs for sure. And one more thing I want to say is here in Rathod IAS Academy, we are going to start a new batch for prelims cum mains from April 8th onwards. So the key features of this course is daily you will be having only just 5 hours of classes. In that 5 hours, 1 hour will be current affairs and other 4 hours will be your GS. And on every weekend, that is on Saturday, we are going to conduct revision test. And next one is we are also going to provide you the material. Okay, so that material is very important because we are going to give the content in the box format so that you can revise multiple times, and after each and every chapter we are also going to give you the previous questions of prelims and mains that will guide you like what to read and what not to read. And next one is at the end of the month we are going to give you the compilation of that month's current affairs, so that what is required for UPSC point of view we are giving that. And if you join here, you will be having proper mentorship also. So not only classes, not only conceptual clarity, even you need to have a guide who will be constantly monitoring your progress. That we are providing in this academy. So I will be available for the students from morning to evening in our academy, so that if you have any doubts, you can directly come and approach me. So this facility you will be not get anywhere except in this Rathod IAS Academy. Okay. And one more important thing that I want to focus is, so we are providing this course both on online and offline, and we compulsory 100% we give you assurance regarding conceptual clarity and understanding of current affairs and also previous is question. And by the end of this course, by within 9 to 11 months, you will be also will be ready for sure with your own notes, and also you will be also revising at least twice of your syllabus. So as soon as your course is done, and even we will be providing you the target prelims related things, like every day we'll give you the schedule, every day test will be there, and constantly we'll be monitoring your progress, and we'll give you lots of tips regarding how to clear prelims. And daily we will be having mains answer writing practice, and those mains answer you have written will be corrected by me itself. So here, why are you waiting for? So try to join this course. It is provided both on online and offline, and mode of teaching is English language. Okay. And if you have any queries, you can text on this number 8074765513. Or else if you want to directly meet me and directly ask your queries to me, you can come and contact me in office. So where is this office located? In Ashok Nagar, exactly above Vikas Book Center, second and third floor, opposite sub registrar office. And I will be available in the office so that you can come and you can meet me directly. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. I expect that you're going to join this course for sure, and we are going to meet in the class. Thank you.